All right, guys. So in this lecture, we are going to talk about entry patterns. So there are two entry patterns that I use for my entries, regardless of what strategy that I'm using. Um, so I could be using ABC and I'd be using those entry patterns. I could be using the under over pattern strategy. I could be using ABCD. Well, for ABCD, you don't really need to see the market structure shift, but if you look for market structure shift on ABCD as well, it can work out greatly as well. So what are entry patterns, right? So let's assume that you have a POI right here. So this is your POI, and there is one called the inducement. So let me just put this, the inducement entry pattern, and then there is BOS liquidity pattern, right? So these two patterns work pretty well. So let's assume that you have a POI, right? So this box right here is a POI. So this is inducement, right? So let me just put this. So price is coming back into your POI and it just reverses before even tapping into your POI. Now, what does it say? It's like calling in early buyers, right? So this is like manipulation. So when people are going to see that the price is going up from this level, they're going to FOMO in. They're going to buy here, 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 and here, right? Because they think that this the price has found the bottom. In reality, this is liquidity being generated by the market makers. Okay, so when price, so the people will have their stop losses below this level, and there will be breakout artists, right, as well. We're going to take trades when this level breaks. So price comes back into the POI, actual POI, and then it goes back up. So this is an inducement entry pattern that you can use with every single strategy, okay? Whether it's ABC, whether it's any other, okay? Whether it's auto flow, it works perfectly well. So you see you have inducement, right? This is our POI, price comes back into a POI, and you would have taken your entry here, and boom, it goes up. Now we have the BOS liquidity pattern, and what is it? So you have your POI, right? So price comes into your POI, right? And then you have a change of character or market structure shift, and when you have change of character, right, you would have your auto block here at the extreme zone, right? So you want to take your entry from the extreme auto block. So you have marked out your extreme favorite auto block plus favorite gap. If price without tapping in goes up and breaks another structure like this, so this is break of structure or market structure break, right? This is market structure break, and we have this fair value gap with auto block, and price never came back here, and before it came back here, it made another higher high. Now a lot of people will take their entry from this level, considering that this is a break of structure, right? So a lot of people, they will take their entry from here. However, they fail to notice that this right here is liquidity, okay? So price is going to come back down into the lower time, into the POI, right? Not the lower time frame, but the POI, and it's going to go boom, like this. So remember this pattern, okay? Now price can actually do something like this as well. So let me just draw this out, delete this out, and delete this out as well. So price can actually come back, and before price shifts the market structure, or before market structure shift happens, price can actually create a break of structure liquidity pattern, right? So this is perfectly fine as well. So yes, you have a change of character here or market structure shift here, but price also had a break of structure. So your entry would be valid from this level as well. It's not necessary for price to shift the market structure and then break the structure, right? No, even if price hasn't, shifted the market, it can create a break of structured pattern, which is going to look something like this, right? So you have a break of structure and you also have change of structure here, and that is absolutely fine as well because this is liquidity level. So make sure you know that, and when price comes back into your POI, kaboom, it's going to go up like that. So these are 2 entry patterns, and I have explained these entry patterns in one of my YouTube videos, so please refer to in detail. Okay, I have explained this in detail by showing examples on YouTube, so I don't think it's necessary for me to just repeat the same thing in the course as well. You can go to my YouTube channel. I'll actually link it in this video description so you can watch it on the YouTube. So these are simple entry patterns that you can use in every strategy, right? So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next lecture.